An operation box is defined as A box B is equal to 3AB. And we're asked to evaluate 2 box 4. And then we're asked, is the operation box commutative? So remember, underline the most important thing, the binary operation. And we're going to start off by evaluating it first. So we have A box B is equal to 3AB. And we are to evaluate 2 box 4. So 2 box 4. So this means the letter A, we're going to take it and replace it with 2. So wherever I see A, I'm going to put 2. And remember, when we're substituting, we're going to use brackets. So far, so good. Wherever we see B, we're going to use the number 4. So B is right here, so we're going to use 4. When we're substituting, we use brackets. What came in front of the A and the B? This 3. So I need to put it back. When we see brackets like this, it means that we're going to multiply. Or, let us prove it. I'm going to use a calculator. I'm going to put in exactly what we see. 3, bracket 2, bracket, bracket 4, bracket. And that gives us 24. Because 3 times 2 is 6. And 6 times 4 is 24. So that is why when we use brackets, it means we're multiplying in this fashion. So 2 box 4 works out to be 24. So only answer the first part of the question, which says to evaluate 2 box 4. We now need to prove if it's commutative or not. Commutative means that when you switch around the order, it should not affect the answer. Right? So like how we had 2 box 4, what if we had 4 box 2? Would it work out to be the same answer? Let us check it out. So we're going to always start back with the most important thing. So we're going to have A box B is equal to 3AB. And remember, commutative means to switch. Switch the order. Good. So instead of having 2 box 4, we're now going to have 4 box 2. Got that? So look what that does. Wherever we see A, we're going to put 4. Notice the only thing that I switched was the numbers. I didn't switch around the A and the B. I only switch around the numbers. So instead of 2 box 4, I have 4 box 2. What is the value of A now? A is 4, so I'm going to substitute A with 4. And when we substitute, we use brackets. What is the value of B now? It's 2. So if I see B, I'm going to put 2 and put it in brackets. And remember, the 3 was in front, so I'm going to keep that. So we're going to work it out now. 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 times 2 is 24. Let's check it on the calculator. 3, bracket 4, bracket 2, and bracket 24. So 4 box 2 is equal to 24. So, seeing that this is the same as this, then we can say yes, it is commutative. And what I like to write is this sentence, this nice sentence that says, since 2 box 4 is equal to 4 box 2, which is equal to 24, then the operation box is commutative or commutative, right? This stuff when you're bright and you want to show everybody so you know how the thing go, right? So I love when this sentence is written so I can read it and you know say okay, I proved that this one equals 24 and this one equals 24. So when I switch the order 2 and 4 and then 4 and 2, I end up get the same answer. This is how you demonstrate so you understand what you're doing and know what you're doing, right? So I like it like this. Let's make catch up with that one now. So if you feel like you have it, go ahead and try it. Pause the video and try it. So in the meantime, I'm going to work it and we're going to see who end up with the answer when we're done. Alright, so we're going to start off by reading the question and picking out the most important part. It says an operation number sign or hashtag is denoted as P hashtag Q is equal to 2Q minus P. And we're asked to evaluate 3 number sign 5. Then the question is asked, is the operation number sign commutative? So the most important statement is here. So we're going to start off with that. So P number sign Q should be equal to 2Q minus P. I don't know if you see the trick, but let's go. And we're asked to evaluate 3 number sign 5. Now if you're paying attention, the value of P would be 3. So that means anywhere where I say P, I'm going to put 3. Not P, but P. So I'm going to put 3 right there. And when we're substituting, we're going to use brackets. Good. And the value of Q is going to be 5. So wherever I say Q, I'm going to put 5. There was a 2 in front of this Q, so I'm putting it back. And there was a minus in front of this P, so I'm putting it back. And now it's just simple working out. 2 times 5, that's 10. And 10 minus this 3 will give us minus 3 here. Oh, that minus 3. So 10 minus 3 is going to give us 7. So 3 number sign 5. 3 number sign 5 is going to be equal to 7. The trick was that in the function, you have Q before P. But in the question, you have P before Q. So you have to watch out for that. So we just evaluated 3 number sign 5 and we got our answer to be 7. Remember, we're not done yet. The question asked, is the operation number sign commutative? So what would we have to do now? We would have to switch around the values. So we're going to always start off with this function, P, or the binary operation. P number sign Q is equal to 2Q minus P. And remember, we're going to perform that switch. So if it was 3 number sign 5, it's going to be 5 number sign 3 now. So we're going to put 5 number sign 3, and we're going to do the same procedure. We're going to look for P, and we're going to take out P and put in 5. P is here, so that means I'm going to replace P with 5 and put it in brackets. We're looking to see the new value of Q. Q is 3, so I'm going to take out Q and put in 3. Remember, I'm putting it in brackets. Look to, there's this 2 in front of Q, so I'm going to put it back. And then there's this minus in front of P, so I'm going to put it back. And then you just work it out simply. 2 by 3, 6. And minus and 5, minus 5. And 6 take away 5 is just 1. And I'm going to keep writing this back down because it's neat and it's a complete mathematics statement. Good. So let's compare. We have 3 number sign 5 being equal to 7 and 5 number sign 3 being equal to 1. Are they the same? Obviously not. So, is the operation number sign commutative? No. And you remember that statement? We can write that statement. We can come and say, since 3 hashtag 5 is not equal to 5 hashtag 3, then the operation hashtag is not commutative. And that's that.